Hello, Namaskara, good evening. My show KA935 is brought to you by Swamitva Group, presenting Soul Spring. It's a project by Manikchand Swamitva Group. These are 3 and 4 BHK luxury apartments on HSR layout, Sector 2. I'm RJ Prithvi on Super Hits 93.5 Red FM. Bajate raho.
अरे बाप रे, इधर इतना बड़ा कॉलेज है।
Bangalore, are you ready to rock this Diwali with the biggest musical celebration?
ये मेडिकल कॉलेज इतना है ना।
Concert in its 10th season brings to
बिजनेस
you
खोल के रख दिया। वो तो है।
Sunidhi Chauhan is coming to Bangalore for her I'm Home concert.
Join us on Saturday, 26th of August.
You are the heart of every celebration with Restolex. Make sure you stay refreshed and relaxed during this festive season. Choose from the great range of exclusive mattresses and get free pillows, bedsheets, comforters, protectors and more. Also avail fabulous exchange offers. Rest, relax and celebrate with Restolex. Visit restolex.com or call 812-30-18558. TNC apply.
Craving for that perfect work-life balance? You might have to step out of the city a little. How about owning your own farmland and growing your own food? Sounds unique, right? Be a co-farmer and live a life of peace amidst nature. Visit hosacheguru.com.
Ria, what happened?
Rahul, Bundy's fever.
Now, right in our neighborhood.
Rainbow Children's Hospital is the only children's super specialty healthcare provider to children and newborns, backed by a team of dedicated pediatricians and neonatologists.
This is a Bangalore Green City Metro.
Anikata Road, Hebbal and Sajapur Road. Call 1-800-2122. ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಗುತ್ತಿರುವ ಚಂದ್ರನಂತೆ ಸಂಜೆಯ ತಂಗಾಳಿಯಂತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಸೆಳೆಯುವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಿವಿಯೋಲೆಗಳಿಂದ ಅಲಂಕರಿಸಿ ಜಿಆರ್ಟಿ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲರ್ಸ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಇಯರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮೇಳ.
ವೈವಿಧ್ಯಮಯ ವಜ್ರದ ಕಿವಿಯೋಲೆಗಳ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಣೆಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡುತ್ತವೆ. ವಜ್ರಗಳು, ಅನ್ಕಟ್ ವಜ್ರಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪೋಲ್ಕಿ ವಜ್ರಗಳ ಮಡಿಕೆಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ 15% ಕಡಿಮೆ ಷರತ್ತುಗಳು ಅನ್ವಯಿಸುತ್ತವೆ.